What's going on? Cool Kids YouTube channel out in Kentucky. Biggest mall in the state. Let's go. Foot Locker does have a house of hoops. That's pretty dope. Just past the finish line as well, but we're starting with Champs. Life in Kentucky way different than in LA, because I see Ultra Boost. I see Ultra Boost for hella cheap. Out in LA within a day or two, all these were gone. And they got them right here for $40 freaking dollars. $40. They got multiple Ultra Boosts for 40 bucks. That is pretty crazy. Was curious to see if I see the Jordan 37s that I did see for $59.99. Not seeing them here. Not seeing the Jordan 37s. I think on the short I call them the Jordan 7s. Obviously I'm at the 37s, but not seeing them. Not seeing them. Then of course they do still have these bad boys right here, the Web Boosts. We've seen these for $79.99, but there you go for 100 here. Then some 22s, or these, 22s right here, black and white. Can't go wrong with that. Got the ones with a thicker outsole. Is this for golf? I think someone mentioned that it's for golf. I think they're right. Got Ultra Boost DNAs. Does have, it's like a more plasticky upper to help protect the elements, or protect your feet from the elements. $130. All kinds of Vans on sale. 30. Another one right there. Got boots going for $80 right here, and a couple of skate highs going for $30 as well. Solid prices. I think these are men's sizes right here, smaller men's sizes, but yep, yeah, that's a size 8 right there. And then seeing these, I want these. I haven't seen these in LA in a while, but I do want these. $110. Got that patent leather. Just like, it's a clean look. At the same price as the Champs outlet on La Puente. That's a solid price. Got the 550s. Got the 650s. $50 and $79.99. Looks like when they have a sale at certain parts of the U.S., they have a sale at all of them, like the rest of the United States. That's what it seems like with Champs and Foot Locker. Can't really say the same with everyone else. Some of the places that do have regional sales and like that, they have 70% off. I haven't seen 70% off at Champs in a while. Mostly CSG gear right here though. $50 for the hoodies, and then those go down to $15. Pretty decent quality right here. Champs sports gear jackets go for $75. And got this, I don't know, it's like a poncho type of thing, raincoat, rain pullover. Those going for $60, and then you get $70 off. Still got all the shorts going for $10. Pretty much similar to the Champs outlet. That one right there, mostly Champs stores here and Champion stuff. I was looking for Mitchell and 1S, not really. All right, moving on to this Foot Locker with the House of Hoops. I'm not gonna lie, I've not been paying attention to releases lately, but when did these release? These look like the handcrafteds, but in a purple colorway. I have not been paying attention apparently. Wow. Jordan releases 11 low IEs, got some 6s, some 7s. That's it though. We saw the Luka 2s on sale. Where did we see them on sale? They're not on sale here though. That's interesting. Maybe it wasn't one of the flex stores, because none of them here on sale. Okay. And I'm very happy to see these going down, because if these keep going, I might have to grab them. Might have to grab those. Why are these over here with the dunks? Why are these J's over here with the dunks? Do got these bad boys. GT jumps for $120. Not too bad at all. Got Witnesses, older Witnesses still chilling at $80. I think that's the cheapest of the next gens we've ever seen. The Jordan 20 next gens. Yeah, that's dope colorway too. I guess the LeBron 20s are going down in price. Okay. A couple of them, $110. And then another next gen for $80. And a couple of them go for a little bit more. And still got a couple of the Cosmic Unity 2s. Going for a decent price, $70. And I got Ultra Boost. Pittsburgh Steelers colorway right here, going for $80. Across the way they were going for $100. These are down to $80 right here now. This is an interesting colorway right here. Miami Hurricanes colorway, I guess. I don't know. And this one's pretty dope, going for 80. And the all white golf looking things right here down to 80 as well. That's hella cheap, huh? Of course, they got some Iversons, got some questions right here. Got these questionable question pumps. And then do got the Victories, the Shaq Victories going for $130. Oh wait, how much is this one going for? Oh, 60? Okay, that's not bad. Do got the Quantums right here, the 360. Someone's been asking for Asics like for a while. But like they haven't really been hot and they haven't had too much stuff on sale lately. Those ain't bad. These are more what I like, the Gel Light 3s, some of the classic stuff. Got a third colorway right here, all on sale. We've seen them for cheaper though. I got the Nooses right here. I saw one for 40. Funds are kind of low. I kind of wonder if I should have grabbed those. Maybe they'll still be there. No, Asics aren't super in demand. I do like those Nooses though. I do like those. Got some decent apparel on sale. The Flight sweats right here down to 60, 50% off these. 50% off these. What's the price though? So 50 off of 97. Still pretty steep. Pretty steep. These Wheaties, long sleeve. These are actually sweatshirts. Yeah, 82.50. It is 50 off. And this one is a long sleeve, 45.50 off, so 22.50. Couple of jackets right there, $80. This one's actually pretty dope for $80. Just not feeling the color. This is the last one of this model. Pretty decent Foot Locker. That's about it though, man. Really not much else. And then there's a Finish Line. I think that's it. Oh my God, man. Being a sneaker collector here ain't easy, man. Ain't easy, damn. I guess this is the latest 5 that came out. Was not aware of this one. It just looked like someone dyed the handcrafted 5s, dude. That's what it looks like. But yeah, $210 for these bad boys right here. They still got these. They still got Cardinals. How are these not on sale? $110. These have gone down in price. We saw these for what, $120 a week ago? Now they're down to $100. Jumpman Pros on sale. And I already got the Immortality 3s on sale. Dang, dude. Those ain't even been out for that long. Also got these. Oh, these are going for 90. These are going for 90. The Kobe's right here. The Crazy 8s. I was able to get mine for 145, but that's still a hell of a deal. Not like you guys have liquidators right next to you guys. Got Air Morph Tempos right here. Penny 2s, half off. Of course, they do have plenty of Pandas. They have stuff on sale, but I thought they would have a ton of stuff on sale. I think they're just saving up for Black Friday. I think that's what they're doing. I think almost all these stores are doing that. These are pretty dope for grade school. Is this a exclusive access? I don't know. I've never seen these anywhere else. Yeah, grade school dunks right there. But that's it, man. Not much to show you guys. Let's go see if they have anything else at this mall. Got Kentucky, UK? I don't know. But yeah, Kentucky University gear right here. Apparently they had a game against Bama today. Wait, it does say they have stuff on clearance. This is definitely University of Kentucky territory right here. I saw a ton of people wearing KU or UK. Oh, it's UK because KU is Kansas. But yeah, man, it's 70% off all this stuff right here. Pretty dope if you're a Kentucky fan. Maybe it's up to. It says take an additional. Yeah, that's what it says, take an additional. So, dang, got some super cheap Kentucky gear. $40 and you get another 70 off. Wow. They got women's shirts. They got men's shirts. Yeah, like 40 and then another 50 off. Or 70 off, my bad. Kind of crazy. I've seen a ton of people with University of Kentucky gear. Look at this, they got entire stores with just Kentucky gear. That's crazy. So this mall is in Lexington, which is, I want to say, what, 60, 70 miles away from Louisville. And I guess if we went to Louisville, or when I go to Louisville, I have a feeling there's going to be Mostly Louisville merch there. This mall barely has any sneaker shops. This mall does have 2 Bath and Body Works though. They have one right here. And there's another smaller Bath and Body Works right here. And they got one of these kiosks. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about these? They got Jordans. They got Yeezys. Would you guys consider those real? Would you guys consider those fakes? Are they trying to be? They're not even trying to be real? I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? All right, this is the start of the food court right here. Let's take a look. They got an ice cream place right here. Kind of similar to Cold Stone, it looks like. Okay. Got cookie spot, Great American Cookies. Somebody burnt the hell out of something at Charlie's. I see smoke and it smells like something burnt. Cajun Oasis. Create your own box for $11.49. That looks pretty good. Got JoJo's Euro right here. Sbarro. Haven't seen a Sbarro in a while. Sarku, seen many of those. Chick-fil-A right there. Moe's Southwest Grill, Poke Life, Gold Star Chili, like a wannabe Panda, Panda Express, and then got Sweet Wally's. Okay. Do have an arcade. I haven't seen an arcade inside a mall in forever. I think I gotta give this, what, a 6? A 6? It's alright. It's alright. Do got a Lids right here. And I think I'm gonna grab some food after. That's what we're gonna do. Pretty typical for Lids. I don't see any clearance section. I don't see nothing. What's up with that? Wow. All right, nothing much to show you guys. All right, let's go find somewhere else to go. All right, just a quick stop at Arby's. Did grab probably way more food than I needed, but it is what it is. I think I'm gonna stop by Waffle House later because I've never had Waffle House. But I still have to drive to a bunch of stores today, and then I have to go to, where do I have to drive to? I have to drive to Louisville, so got a little bit of a drive. All right, let's go. Just landed in Louisville. Got one of these things, man. I love walking on these things. Just walk twice as fast. Already missing that California weather. It's cold. It's cold. It's not like freezing, but it's cold. All right, let's go get my car. G70, that's pretty dope. That's definitely not my ride. That's familiar. I've had a Mustang before, I think in Phoenix. This is it right here, Prius. Driving a Prius. Haven't really driven a hybrid too much. Let's go. Every time you rent a car, make sure you guys do a walkthrough or walk around, make sure there's no big dents. This looks way different than all the ones I've seen in the past. Dang, they updated the look big time. But I don't see any scratches, no dents. No, we good, we good. All right, time to get some work done and then hit up a bunch of sneaker shops, man. I think I'm an hour or 45 minutes outside of Lexington. Yeah, look at these forests. Wow, we definitely don't see much of this in LA. If you go a little bit north or east, you get a little bit, but don't see it too much. Don't see it too much.